In today's video, I'm going to teach you connect WooCommerce website to WooCommerce Mobile App using Jetpack. By the end, your store will be hooked up to the WooCommerce Mobile App so you can manage orders and products from your phone with confidence. Start on your WordPress website. Log into your site's dashboard so you're on the main admin screen. From the left-hand menu, open Plugins. Next, choose Add New. In the search bar, type Jetpack. You're looking for the official Jetpack plugin. When you see it, click Install, and once the installation completes, click Activate. Give it a few seconds to finish up. Right after activation, you'll be prompted to log into your Jetpack account. This is the same account you use with WordPress.com services. Go ahead and sign in. If your browser asks for confirmation, approve the connection so Jetpack can securely link your site. Then follow the on-screen prompts. These will guide you through the connection process and may ask for a couple of permissions so Jetpack can communicate with your store. Keep the page open until you see confirmation that the connection is successful. That's it for the website side. Now let's connect the mobile app. On your phone, install the Woocommerce app from your device's official app store. Once it's installed, open the app and log in using the same account you just used for Jetpack. Because your site is now connected, the app will recognize your store and sync data like orders, products, and basic analytics. Give it a moment during the first sync, especially if your catalog is large. A few quick tips as you go. If you can't find Jetpack in the plugin search, double-check the spelling or refresh the page and search again. If the connection doesn't complete on the first try, reload the Jetpack screen and sign in once more to confirm the link. On your phone, make sure you're logging into the same account you used during the Jetpack setup. That keeps everything in sync. If your store doesn't immediately appear in the app, pull to refresh or close and reopen the app to trigger a new sync. From here, you can monitor orders, update inventory, and receive notifications right from your phone. Keep Jetpack and your WooCommerce app updated to the latest versions for the best performance and security. And remember, the connection relies on your site being accessible. So a stable internet connection on both your site and your phone will make everything smoother. That's the whole process. Open your WordPress site, install and activate Jetpack, log in and follow the prompts. Then install the WooCommerce app on your phone and log in. You're ready to manage your store anywhere.